keep my light no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it breathe, breathe, breathe. You don't make it breathe, breathe, make it breathe, breathe, make it breathe, 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 breathe.
Back, it's Ilahaya B, and I'm here with another one. Okay, another one. So I'm giving y'all today a detailed eyebrow tutorial, honey, because y'all needed to know this. Y'all asked me about this, so I'm giving y'all a detailed eyebrow tutorial. Okay, so it's gonna be real short, simple, and straight to the point, honey. So you want to see how I get these eyebrows slayed? Keep on watching. Hey loves, I'm here today to show y'all how to tame y'all brows. People ask me on a daily, how do I do my eyebrows? So I'm here to show y'all. Girl, these brows is woofing, like, oh my god. Like, they grow so fast, like, it's crazy. But I like to brush them up and then I brush them over. Okay, so I go in and I outline my brows before I fill them in with the same product. Yes, grab that spoolie, because the spoolie is going to be your best friend when it comes to your eyebrows, honey. Now I'm going in with that lighter brown shade to fade out the beginning of my brow for that nice transition. Sis, don't let me see y'all out here with unconcealed brows. I'm going in with LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. And watch me just transform, honey, because we about to snatch these brows. Okay, right now I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me to the top of my brow to carve it out, and so I won't get that halo effect. Honey, blend for your life. Blend, 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 honey. Yes, all between there, yup. Yes, these brows are slayed, honey. Thank y'all guys for watching and all the support. Go follow me on all my social media.